Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how you can reset your MacBook. First of all, if you have signed into your MacBook, you need to sign out first. So we're gonna go to the Apple ID section and I'm going to sign out my account from it. It says, do you want to keep a copy of your iCloud data on this in this Mac before signing out? So I don't want anything here, so I want to remove everything, so I'm gonna uncheck this and I'm gonna press continue. Now it's asking, do you want to download a copy of your iCloud photos to this Mac? If you don't download a copy photo, no, delete from Mac. Okay, 14 low resolution photos and videos will be removed from this Mac. Delete from Mac. Now it's asking for my password, so I'm gonna put it. Okay, it's signing out. Just wait for a while. Okay, so I signed out now. Okay, now I'm gonna shut down my PC. Okay, I'm gonna shut it down. So the next thing, we're gonna press the power button, and the time, press Command and R. Okay, press Command and R, press and hold. Press and hold. Okay, now this is going to recovery mode. Just wait. You see here, this is recovery assistant. We're gonna go to disk utility. Okay, double click on it. We need to erase the Mac OS. You see here this option here, click here and make it like a show all devices. Okay, so this is the Apple SSD, and what we need to delete, we need to delete this container disk. Okay, so for that, come here, first select this one and come here in erase section, click here, and you can choose which format you're gonna choose, but here the latest Mac OS supports APFS, so I'm gonna keep it that way. The name, you can change the name. Now I'm just gonna keep it with the Mac OS and just erase. I see the process deleting volume. Okay, done. Erase process is complete. Click done to continue. Okay, so now we need to install macOS here. Okay, we need to recover. So for that, now we come here and we quit the disk utility. Here you see reinstall macOS Sonoma. Okay, I'm going to install the Sonoma macOS. So reinstall, click here and press continue and press continue. Okay, now we're gonna click agree here. Agree. So this is asking us where do you want to install the macOS. So we're gonna choose the hard drive, macOS, continue. Okay, it says about 2 hours and 33 minutes remaining. Now we can choose the country. So currently I'm living in United Arab Emirates, so I'm gonna go with that. Continue. I'm not gonna make any changes, okay? Continue. Just accessibility, I'm not gonna configure anything. So not now. Okay, so now we need to connect with the network. Add the password. Continue. Migration assistant. I don't have anything to copy or recover, so I'm gonna click with the not now. Go with the setup later. Skip it, okay? It's asking our confirmation. Are you sure you want to skip the sign in with the Apple ID? Yeah, I skip. I don't want to sign in now. Agree. Agree. I'm gonna name it like MacBook Air. I'm gonna put password. Okay. So this is asking us the region, so I'm gonna click here. You see, this is where I located in Dubai. So yeah, continue. Just continue. Set it up later. Uncheck this one. I don't want Siri right now. Okay, so I'm gonna uncheck that one. And Touch ID. Okay, I'm gonna go with the Touch ID because that's gonna be more easier for me. Okay, I'm gonna go with the light theme. Continue. So just like that. That's all, guys. If the video was helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more uploads. And thank you so much for watching. See you in next video. Bye bye.